Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm literally going to show you the simplest way to make $2,000 over and over and over again, leveraging this simple system. This is going to be super easy, super straightforward. And just to show you guys some results, just from this year, I've generated in profit over $14,000 or $14,000 roughly. You can see all these $2,500 payments here. We've got a payment of $1,997 as well. Keep in mind that the $500 extra payments on top of the $2,000 is actually an admin fee. So in profit, it's been $14,000. And all I did was send people to this simple system that you're seeing right here. It's literally going to be so easy. I'm going to show you step by step everything that I did to generate these results in this video. Of course, results not typical. My results aren't typical. This does require some consistency. So you're going to want to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, tick the bell icon, because I've got a full series that I'm walking you through, showing you guys exactly how to generate high ticket commissions online, working very, very part-time. We're talking about $500, $1,000, and even $2,000 consistent commissions. So again, subscribe, tick the bell icon. And without further ado, let's actually jump right into this video and show you guys this process. So it's very, very simple. Step one, there's going to be a link below. All you need to do is click that link and set up your multiple income funnel system. So what we have when it comes to affiliate marketing is we have products that are standalone products, and we have systems that sell those specific products. Now, a lot of products struggle to be sold because the marketing material is just terrible. There's not good sales material. And so if you have a system that automatically sells the product for you, then you don't have to do any of the extra legwork. And that's exactly what multiple income funnel is it not only sells and promotes one product for you, but it sells and promotes many products for you. In this specific video though, we're just gonna focus on one single product. I do have other videos that go into multiple income funnel in a little bit more depth, which I will post that in the description below. Nonetheless, you want to click the first link. You want to go ahead, get access to multiple income funnel, make the payment, and you're going to come to this place first. Okay. Again, I'm showing you guys exactly what I did to generate $14,000 just this year with one income stream of the specific system. So all you need to do is watch step one here, join the Facebook group. That's it. Step two, you set up your income streams. Income stream number two is the income stream that we will be focusing on within this specific video. But we've got 4 different income streams right here. And you want to make sure, of course, you watch every single video that is within each of these sub steps under step 2 here. So you'll watch video 1 on income stream number 1, video 2 on income stream number 2, video 3, income stream number 3, and video 4 on income stream number 4. But one specific thing about income stream number 2 and what this system is so good at doing is getting people to upgrade to the highest level. Why? Because if you look at my cells right here, most everybody is upgrading to the $2,000 level, and it's because of the system. The $2,000 commissions that I'm making constantly here, after it's all said and done, after the admin fee, is because this specific video right here on step 2, income stream number 2, is designed to get people to upgrade to the very highest level. What does that mean for you? It means if you go through multiple income funnel and you sign up for a lower level income stream, as a matter of fact, in any of these income streams, you're going to miss out on the higher commissions, which means in this specific income stream known as E1U Life, there are different packages at different levels, right? You have Elevation Basic, Elite, Vertex, Vertex Elite, Vertex Pro, and Vertex Live. Now, they range anywhere between $30 all the way up to $2,500. That's where you're seeing these $2,500 payments right here. Now, follow me here. If somebody decides to upgrade to the $2,500 level and you only have the Elevation Elite level, you will not get the commission on that sell. I repeat, you will not get the commission on that sell. Again, this system is designed to get those $2,000 commissions for you. In other words, when people watch this video right here, over 90% of them upgrade to Vertex Live, which means if you upgrade to any lower level, you're missing out on huge commissions. You're missing out on all these commissions that you're seeing right here. And it's not just limited to just this year. You can see last year I've got $2,500 payments coming through as well. So that's why it's crucial that you get to that $2,000 level within income stream number 2. Okay. Also, when you do activate this income stream, you will get all the products below it. And you'll also qualify for the commissions if somebody decides to buy a lower level than Vertex Live. So if somebody decides to get Vertex, you're getting the commission there, Elite, Pro, and then of course, Elevation Elite and the Basic. So that's why it's so crucial. I get a lot of questions of people asking me, what product should I upgrade to in E1U Life? I watched the video, but what are most people buying? And that's why I say, hey, this isn't just to get you to buy the very top and the highest price product. This is because naturally when people go through the system, they are upgrading to the Vertex Live level. And not only that, you're getting more value within this level too as well. So you might be wondering, well, what is this system actually selling? What is E1U Life? What is Home Business Academy, Traffic Authority? And of course, you can earn on Multiple Income Funnel itself by re-promoting it. All these income streams are based around helping people, whether you're a real estate agent, you're a coach, consultant, a brick and mortar store, you're online, you're offline. This shows you, these products show you how to build a brand and get more leads, get more traffic, and get more sales online. That's the purpose of these different products. Think of it as an online university that gives you training and teachings in a digital course. So we're in the info product business, which is a multi-billion-dollar business. And that's essentially what people are paying for when it comes to signing up for these different income streams inside of Multiple Income Funnel. So now that we've got the actual system set up, you've gone through step 1, step 2, all the sub steps right here, step 3 and step 4. Then what you want to do is go to the links area here. Okay, you want to copy your affiliate link. It could be the capture page 1 or capture page 2. Then what you want to do after that step is complete, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to want to sign up for My Lead Gen Secret. Because what do we need to do now? We need to get people to this affiliate link here. The way that we're going to do that is through email marketing, is through paid traffic. Paid traffic is the fastest way to get visitors to your affiliate link. There are free traffic methods that I teach in my playlist below, but they take time. I even allow you to actually copy my YouTube videos to make commissions from Multiple Income Funnel. Again, that's going to be in the playlist below. But for today, we're going to focus on email marketing and getting traffic and potential sales very, very quickly out of the gate. That's what we want to do. That's why we want to leverage paid traffic. Free traffic will take anywhere from 60 to 90 days. Again, paid traffic you can get instantly. So you're going to come to this page. It's the second step below. You're going to go ahead. You're going to sign up. Use my secret now. You're going to click on that, enter your email. You'll get signed up, and then you'll go to members login, or it might automatically log you in. When we log into the account, this service is going to give us 100 emails per day. Yes, 100 fresh leads per day that we can email to. So this can rack up very quickly over time. After 30 days, what is that? 3,000 leads we're now emailing to. And so what we're going to do is we're going to click on create a message, and then you're going to select all your leads right here. And then you're going to jump over to what's called a swipe file right here. This is going to be in the description below this video as well. Again, scroll down, go to the description, you'll see all these resources. What you're going to do is you're going to go to email 1. You're going to copy this 20 minutes per day. You're going to jump back over here. You're going to paste it. Okay. And then you're going to delete this area right here. You're going to jump back over here and you're going to copy this whole entire body right here. And once again, you're going to paste right here. Then you're going to delete this bit right here. You're going to unbold. We're going to put our name right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here to multiple income funnel. We're going to copy this link, jump back over here, and we're going to highlight right here. We're going to click this anchor here and we're going to paste. Okay. Our affiliate link is there. We're going to click on OK. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Click on the link, paste, click on OK. Then we're going to click on perfect timing, and then we're going to click on send email. Okay, this email is going to be sent out to your leads. I've already sent this email out. So what you're going to do is make sure that you've clicked on send email. Now there's tons of different emails that I have here that I'm adding on a weekly basis that you can use inside of MLGS, and you could promote any program that you want. It doesn't just have to be multiple income funnel, okay? But you want to repeat this day in and day out. So I'm using email marketing to, of course, get these results that you've seen right here. There are a few other strategies that I'm using as well, like free traffic from YouTube, free traffic from Facebook. And again, the playlist below will walk you through all these traffic strategies and all the other income streams as well that you see over here that we covered in step 2. So all you need to do now is complete the steps and get started. And I'm excited for you to start seeing those $2,000 commissions come through. This is by far the biggest money maker inside of my business, where you can work the least and make the most money. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel, tick the bell icon, complete the steps below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.